matter is getting very complicated. She's refused to pick my calls since yesterday. She probably thinks I'm an accomplice.
How do you mean? See, I am not in a very good frame of mind. If I can do this best to explain myself and nobody wants to believe me, then everyone can go to hell.
Hey, don't say that. We've been together since year 1. It's barely 2 weeks to our graduation. You can say that. Just take it easy. She's here now. Let's just see what we can do. Did you see that? That's exactly what I feared.
Anyway, everyone is entitled to their opinion. You can as well write your own story and act it. Please, I'm out of here.
Really? Really?
Hey, baby. Hi. The wife is now a professional cook. A professional cook, yes.
I am utterly disappointed in you. And to think that you have the guts, the temerity to stand before me to deny the obvious? Richard, you and that girl, you will never get away with this.
Because I know fear, cause I get them plenty. I know fear, cause I get them plenty. Wait. This Nigerian musician will lie in a number 1. If you see this baby, you want, tell us again. She go chop on my money. She go chop on my money. She go chop on my money. Okay, because I know fear, but I get some plenty. I know fear, but see no go empty. Life, I got plenty dollars in the bank, plenty dollars in the bank.
What in God's name is keeping this chick? We are running late.
You know how Prof behaves. She shouldn't be here.
See, I don't have all the time. If you guys are not ready, I'll start going. After all, it's my racket.
Why are you always like this? Nina will do anything for us, you especially. But when it's your turn to do something for her, the whole world will hear about it. You have to give your life to Christ for him to regenerate your heart.
Don't just go there.
I beg.
Don't go there or I will.
I am so sorry. I am sorry. Prof insisted that nobody leaves until he is done. Alright, I'm here now. Let's go.
Go where? Who will pay for all these things?
Victoria!
Is she not the reason we incurred all the debt?
How much is it?
You're full of mischief.
Like I care. But why don't you sit in front?
I'm sitting in front. Silly.
She go chop all my money, wallahi. She go chop all my money. Because I know fear. I know fear, because I get a plenty.
About you say you know say I dey busy here. Why they disturb me?
You calm down, mana. Dakata, calm down. Abi I never sabi and say even for Bible they talk and say plenty work, no play. Now you go make somebody go crazy.
I hear you. Bible now you talk am. Where you see Bible read? You where church you no go. Mosque man you know they go.
I no go. And one me I get to plenty friends where they go. Come on, now me they always hear around. The pastor they talk for last speaker. For that church where they borrow.
You never reach. May they cut Bible up and down. I bet if you no get work, now to call me watch this plenty clothes. Now they grant so.
Can't you that one? See, wallahi, not try that one with me, oh. Not just try with me. I mean, now me and you go share your salary.
Now wait till you get to talk at me. Whether na me and you dey share salary. Okay now, half plate of food, no meat.
Who should be like? Wait. Please. Somebody cannot play with you. Somebody cannot play with you. Don't like Yakuri. I will do anything. Anything I told Nami go do.
Anything.
You what?
As now you talk anything so. Come the wash. I won't go cook.
Something. I don't accept. I will do everything. I will do. I'm gonna you go promise my boy no people something.
What do you want?
Now you go promise my boy no people. Plenty meat. The plenty I've been cheap.
Only plenty food.
Agree?
You don't die on top now. I give you plenty food. What else?
So you go keep my boy no people. Plenty I've been cheap.
Now you know say you fine for your head.
Wait. The fine girl. And that too. The fine girl. She like go marry me. Allah.
What you Musa no go see forget? I beg, start washing. Let me go and cook.
But like anything we go make me never marry you. Thunder go fire the person. Allah. Wait.
See this kind of life person dey live na shame my life. You go dey work morning till night. Like say never still do anything. The person don't arrest self. No one no pay me. Madam go come back say, can I have cold water? And can you check who is at the gate? Chair lady, Antonina, who come? And where's my handbag? And can I get cold water? And this and that. Now only I come this life. You know, pay me like when Antonina will come say, did you take my bra, my undies? I need them washed and I need them clean. Hey, Aunt Jackie, what can I do? Better shut up, but I need to pay me can't do for this and for that. Duty calls.
Barka da zuwa, madam. Welcome.
Hassan.
No, madam.
Why did you leave your duty post? Because I have been honing.
Where did you go to?
Wallahi, madam, na community service.
What's that?
Community service. Madam, I did try safe so. I swear for you.
Hassan, are you okay?
Are you fine?
Madam, no, me fine. Thank you, me. Thank you, me.
Where is Anne? Because I'm not sure you are fine.
Madam, na Anna there for the office. Come on, she dey do family support.
You're really crazy.
Madam, you the best? Oh, madam, never best. Now what can I do? You wanna help?
Bunch of idiots everywhere. Anne? Anne!
Ma'am?
Please stop.
Okay, ma'am, coming. Welcome, Antonina. I don't know say you don't come. How's school?
Bad and good. Please get me a glass of cold water.
What's happen? I've been at that man where they call prof.
What is your problem? Like you will understand? What is wrong with Hassan?
That one. Now what did they do, Amanti?
He's been spilling nonsense like someone that's going crazy.
You know now Aboki again, when hungry don't they wire and I go, they do like who head they pain. Maybe not because I tell her make he help me wash clothes. I make it just long.
Wait. I hope you didn't touch my undies.
No, Auntie Nina. Now my honey they touch. Don't go touch your honey.
He washes your undies?
My clothes. Underwear no follow. Now clothes they wash.
It's whatever. Just get me a cup of cold water. That's it. What did you cook?
Your favorite.
Okay. Hurry up. Send my lunch. Give me the water first, okay?
Yes, Auntie.
Fine.
Very cold. Just as we like.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Please get me a rag. Something to clean my body.
Okay.
Okay. Anne! Oh, Lord.
Anatu. Fine boy, no people, I don't come home. Anatu. Why? Wallahi, this Anatu na very correct girl. Now she said she will give me plenty food. The plenty meat inside. Kuma she don't do exactly. Why? Wallahi, now God will bless me for you. Allah, Allah. To catch them. Enter. Wallahi. Allah.
Anne?
Yes, sir.
Bring my food here. I don't have the strength to come to the dining. And please put a pack of juice for me.
Okay, Auntie Nina.
What is this? I've told you cut off this auntie thing. We're within the same age range. What is your problem?
Okay, Auntie. Sorry, okay, ma. Sister Nina.
Whatever, please just give me my food. I'm famished.
Right back.
This life I can't kill myself, oh. I can't kill myself, oh, life. Allow me to enjoy you, oh. I can't kill myself, oh.
You this fool! Wetin be this nonsense wey they do? You smoke weed?
No. What did I do? I mean, good chopper.
You dey craze? Why you go carry all the food one staff keep, including Auntie Nina own?
I wish be like, what this girl? What now you don't put me for trouble? Eh? Now you say, now you go give me more than plenty of inchi. Now I won't go enter inside, I won't go see more than enough. Now I go carry up on the job now.
Shut up! You know, since I serve your soup plate on different, serve every other person on different. Now you can't carry on join and be the job. Now your greed go kill you today.
After all, make I enjoy myself. It don't happen, we say it don't happen. If person chop, you go die. If you don't chop, you go still die. I could be like, see, wallahi, not play with me, oh. Wow, not play with me, oh. Wow, see, wallahi, if you try this, I'm in cheap. Wait. If you try, what? What?
Hassan.
No, madam.
So you had the effrontery to touch my food. Food meant for me? Hassan, really, you've grown wings so?
Madam. Wallahi, madam, I never grow wing, Allah, I never grow wing. Madam, see my body now. In fact, now she with the course. Madam, now she costs everything. Madam, now she say make I wash everything, make I wash all the clothing, the fanti. Ya fatari, ya bra everything. Now she say make I wash them. Kuma, she said now she go give me more than plenty. No, madam, I don't go kitchen. As I enter the kitchen, I can't see more than plenty. Now I can't carry and can't the chop. So, madam, you see, that be my question.
Okay. Now I understand what you meant by community service, right?
Yawa, nigga scared, madam. Thank you, me now go bless me.
And so you now trade food for labor, right?
Auntie Nina, no be so, I swear. You see this Hassan, I call Samo. I did my own JJ day watch, now Hassan can't they disturb me. Now say man for final work me.
What's a be lie? Wow, this girl. That's how you be. La.
Okay. Just.
So sorry, madam.
You know your punishment, Hassan? You see that food? You are going to finish that food on my watch. Now start.
Wallahi, thank you very much. Madam, bye-bye.
Auntie Nina, that will not be punishment for this idiot. You go chop and finish.
I talk sumo.
If I... Who caused all this? And you! Do you know your punishment? You are going to make me another meal. Yes. And this time around, not egusi soup and eba. Continental.
Yeah, continent. Auntie Nina, that my ingredients not even there so.
Market.
Madam, thank you.
Auntie Nina, I want mop house.
And stop, listen. I know it's my bad, but hey, you need to rest and continue later.
Auntie Nina, not be your fault. I still get plenty.
And I insist. Stop. Sit down. Stop. Don't bother about that. I'll cover you up.
I know me, madam, come here. She go vex. So.
And please, can you come and eat with me?
Eat? No, Auntie Nina, I still get
And I
plenty.
insist, stop it. I'll take care of it. Come and join me.
Don't worry. Ma, go collect.
Each time I look at you, there's this striking thing that hits me. Always.
What's with that?
And you know you are an enigma. You are hardworking. You are beautiful. You have great qualities. I mean, that really tells me you come from a good home, you know.
Thank you, Auntie Nina. Thank you, ma.
God's name has put my daughter in this grievous state?
Mom, I'm fine.
Don't even start with that tough skin theory of yours. It won't work here. Do you know how long I've been hitting on that door?
Mom, I'm fine. Just...
How dare you look at me in the eyes and lie to me? Do you know how pitiable you look?
Do I?
Of course, yes. You look horrible. And the earlier you started talking, the better for everyone. Tell me, what is it?
Michael has been cheating on me, Mom.
Michael has been cheating on you?
Yes.
Michael has been cheating on you. And that's the reason you coiled up yourself here like a rabbit bereft of hope? Because of one useless guy? Oh, Nina. Nina, you are a disappointment to the Timmies. And everything woman dignity stands for. Nina.
I just grieve because he cheated on me with my best friend.
Does it matter who he cheats on you with? You are graduating in a few weeks and your intelligence is at low ebb. Oh, Nina. Graduating at the top of the class isn't smartness.
Mom, please don't be mad at me this moment, please.
And why shouldn't I? Tell me, why shouldn't I be mad at you? We gave you everything. We gave you everything you needed. Beauty, education, brilliance, utmost luxury. We gave you everything, name it. And you want to kill yourself because of one stupid idiot who doesn't have regard for woman. Oh, Nina. Oh.
Mom, please, you know how much I love my girl. Please, Mom.
Love. You are looking good.
I thank God.
I like the color of your gown.
Thank you.
Bling bling everywhere. I think blush, Joe. Blushing is allowed. So you didn't go to work today?
I'm on my annual leave.
Oh. I've forgotten everything about civil service since I went into business.
Business woman.
What will I do now?
It's okay.
So, oh God, this girl hasn't even served any drink since he arrived. Anne! She will be there counting my cost. Stupid girl.
Nengi, that's dirty. You don't use such words. I know you're used to it, but please, stop.
Auntie, you don't know that girl. She doesn't hear easily at all. You have to shout. Anne! What have you been doing?
I did backyard day work. I never even finished.
See, just leave whatever you're doing and serve auntie something to drink. At least you should know that's the first thing to do whenever any guest comes.
Nengi, don't serve me any drink. I need real meal. I'm famished.
Auntie, is it not you again? Oh. Eh? You that don't joke with your stomach.
You know that one now. You know.
Okay. What is wrong with you?
I don't tire.
What is I don't tire? What have you been doing with yourself that you're tired?
I mopped this entire house. I can't sweep. Wash toilet and bathroom before I go wash Auntie Nina underwear.
Keep quiet. Who asked you that one?
Nengi.
Naughty girl.
She raised a very strong point here. And that is why I am here. Nengi, I know you're a very nice and caring person to everyone around. But you are over-pampering Nina. Nina is no more a little girl.
Excuse me, Auntie. And you, what are you still doing here? Will you get out and go and do what I asked you to do?
Okay. Nina should be taught how to handle house chores. She is a woman now. How can a woman of her age not be able to wash her undies? You better do something.
I'll do something about it.
Better.
I've heard you. It's okay now. I'll do something about it. So tell me, how are you spending your annual leave?
Well, I'll be traveling outside the country.
Ooh, yeah. That is good.
See, I never knew they were dating. Eh? You know our friend, she can be so secretive. And besides, he told me he just came back from the States.
This matter is getting very complicated. She's refused to pick my calls since yesterday. She probably thinks I'm an accomplice.
How do you mean? See, I am not in a very good frame of mind. If I can do this best to explain myself and nobody wants to believe me, then everyone can go to hell.
Hey, don't say that. We've been together since year 1. It's barely 2 weeks to our graduation. You can say that. Just take it easy. She's here now. Let's just see what we can do. Did you see that? That's exactly what I feared.
Anyway, everyone is entitled to their opinion. You can as well write your own story and act it. Please, I'm out of here.
Really? Really? Mina, can you explain this childish behavior of yours?
I decide to be silent on this matter.
I never knew you were such a coward, girl.
I beg your pardon?
Yeah. If this is because of the little difference you have with Victoria that you're displaying this level of irresponsibility, then your maturity is in doubt.
You know, you're really getting on my nerves right now, Jeffrey.
Oh, so you acknowledge that we are still friends. Why behave in such a manner?
If you were in my shoes, finding out in such circumstances, what would you have done? That your best friend is having an affair with your man. Would you have jumped up with joy and congratulate them?
Nina, you have every right to be angry. But you do not have the right to overstretch your anger without giving your bestie a fair hearing. Moreover, when your so-called boyfriend meandered off without an action, that shows how irresponsible he is.
Right now, I need to be left alone.
You're not going to be left alone until you do the needful. Come on, girl. Let's talk this thing. She already said she didn't know you guys were an item.
I go get the energy to work. See, I not to cry, don't go school. My God, I don't tire. I can't take this one.
Hassan, what's happened?
See, well, just leave me. Don't ask me anything at all.
Why you go sit down for your post, they cry when you know say your guy dey upstairs? You want me to come fire you?
Make you fire me. Make you fire me. Which can life be this one now? See, ever since when you started your Mumuna Makaranta, everything don't change. Nobody they give me better Abinchi again. See, one lie like this, me, I won't fire myself, self. Cut him with this one.
Hassan, so that jealousy they worry you. Oh yeah, now man go tell Oga say you no want do it again.
Yeah, go man, calm down. This small player when I say make a play, you want to take a bottle Oga.
No be you on fire.
Dakatama na calm down. Tokia go police. Be sympathetic. Be sympathetic.
As they put me for school, now they pay you. You no want work again. Go na me Oga fire you, come up for you.
Calm down now, my baby. My baby.
Me, go punish you, be your baby.
Who's my baby?
The Chris.
Come.
Hassan.
I sing for you. I love me, you're my darling. I love you, you're my best friend. I will marry you. Hello.
What is going on here?
Well, good afternoon, Auntie Nina.
Madam, greeting, madam.
Auntie Nina, it's Hassan. No. Now since he don't they follow me, say make I beg you, say you won't go school.
You what? What is madam Naturu?
So, this is why he's been professing his love for you?
Auntie Nina. Now since now Hassan don't they beg me so.
Hassan, you want to go to school?
Yeah, what? Wallahi.
Okay. I'll look into that.
Let's get back to me, madam. My madam.
sorry. Babe, come on, I know I overreacted. I mean, you need to wear this shoe and know where it really pinches.
See, babe, all of us are wearing this shoe. See, you shouldn't have gone this far.
I know, that's why I'm here to say I'm sorry. You need to accept and also apologize too.
Okay, it's okay. Let's not tell those road ladies. Can we just laugh it off?
I think we should go out and have a drink, at least shame our enemies.
You should have said that all the while than forming the rock for us.
Vicky, you don't like chop-ins.
Tell me you don't like it. Just tell me say this the way she talk now, you know, buy am.
Okay, let me bust your bubbles.
Yeah, go on.
I think we should go swimming.
Yeah!
I know, for the last time before our graduation and dip for this. Next tomorrow, yes.
That's right. That's right.
See why I miss you. I love you, baby girl.
I will call. I will call. Why only at night?
So you don't have to miss me too.
Who is this one?
Daddy, your suitcases is here. Check if I packed everything.
I hope you have collected everything you need from your dad, because I don't want anybody stressing me as soon as he's gone.
Mom, don't worry. I already downloaded everything for my dad. Trust your girl.
Really? And you never told me? Are you serious? If I hadn't asked, you would have hidden it from me. You're so naughty.
Come on, honey. Don't call my little angel naughty.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry, Mr. and Miss Civilization.
Come to think of it, you haven't even downloaded everything because I yet have a surprise for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is it, Dad?
She's done with her BSc.
Yes.
So I have initiated the process for her to go to the US to do a master's degree.
That's a lie.
God.
Yes! Yes!
I love you too. I love both of you. To the moon and back.
Yes!
Oh, please, I'm going to miss my flight. I will miss my flight.
See you up, Daddy.
Oh my God.
Okay. Yes, Daddy, you're the best, Daddy.
Hey, girl. Look at you. You're looking so fresh.
Just sit, just stop. I beg, I still day as I day. I beg.
Don't try him.
No, but look at you. You're looking so fresh.
I beg, they need to get you something so we can discuss something very important, okay? Waiter! Waiter!
Wait, hold on. At this point, one would think that you'd be speaking through your nose.
Juliet, you see me, I'm a full-blown HR and Igbo babe. No leave, no transfer.
That's right.
So darling, what were you telling me about Victoria?
That can wait. Long story. Let's talk about important things first.
Important things. This is also important because I need the both of you at my wedding.
Say what? You're getting married! I don't know what to do. Calm down. Calm down. Oh, shit. Okay, screaming. I'm not shutting media now. We're getting married! Let me see. Okay.
Good day, sir.
You're welcome. Sir. You're welcome, Mr. Richard.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So you are the lucky chap who whisked my daughter off her feet, eh?
Yes, sir, I am.
And I am really lucky to have her, sir.
Oh, yes, you're welcome. Yes, indeed.
You're very lucky indeed. But if you don't mind, I would like to ask further questions. You know?
Mommy, go ahead. You've been asking a lot of questions already. Please go ahead. I'll answer anyone.
Do you have a job?
None.
Nina, stay off this. This is a very serious business.
It's okay. Yes, I have a job. I was working before I traveled to further my studies abroad. I'm a chartered accountant, and I work with the CBN.
You mean Central Bank of Nigeria?
Exactly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Quite impressive.
Yes.
Was it a master's degree you went to do like my daughter?
No, I went for my PhD.
PH what?
PhD.
Dad? Doctorate degree in economics.
Oh. And my daughter says you are just 32.
Yes, 32.
Well, I was lucky to start early, and I had a seamless educational run.
Oh, beautiful. That's quite commendable.
Very
That's what it should be.
commendable.
You know, yes.
That is nice. Very nice, you know.
This is wonderful. So, where are you from?
I'm Igbo. I'm from Ebonyi State, to be precise.
Eh? Are you serious? You're from Ebonyi State. You're my brother. Oh my God. That is
Such a small world, eh?
It's good. I'm so happy to hear this. Oh my. Oh, that is. In fact, everything is settled.
Oh.
Yeah. You know, it would be nice for you to meet your fiance's people, don't you think?
Mom?
Oh, yes. Your mom is right. Don't eat for agitation, my dear.
So we can bond together.
Oh, yes.
You understand?
You're welcome, my son.
This is so good.
You're welcome. Please feel at home. My house is your house. So, Nina.
Yes, Dad.
Go and prepare something for your fiancé to eat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go and prepare something for me. We will organize it. Yes, God. Yes. You're welcome, my son.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes, we are coming. What do you mean? What do you do? Where's Anne?
Mommy, she's sleeping.
Go and wake her up. What am I paying her for?
Mama, she called.
Listen to yourself. That a housemaid should come and cook for your daughter's fiancé. Yeah. Stay here and cook for your fiancé. Your mother will guide you.
See, I don't have time for this now. You better go and call Anne to help you with this cooking. The earlier the better.
To my baby. Yane, what's up? See, we're lying. I mean, I just do. I know they do anything. What's it? Make I come. Understand? What's up now? I've been to this, so I'll say good give me feeling. Anything for you, my baby.
this is serious. Because I have never ever seen you engrossed with eating like this. And with so much delight, honey.
Babe? My love? This is a well-made African meal.
Really?
See that house help of yours? She's a great cook. I love her.
Sorry? You love her or you love her food?
Babe, come on, don't be silly. You know what I meant.
No, it has to be clarified, meant to avoid story that touches the heart.
I didn't mean it in that context. Why are you so troublesome? You're such a troublesome person. But all the same, you know I love you. I love you very much.
I love you too, darling.
Stop, can I just have the taste?
Thank you. Thank you so much because you did not know the embarrassment you have saved me since you've been around. Thank you so much.
I don't understand what you mean.
It's Richard, my husband. He's been asking for a homemade food. It's something he was brought up with. It's really been a tongue of war since we got married.
Sincerely, Nina, I've been meaning to speak with you about this. I've seen how you're so relaxed when I'm cooking, even when your husband is around. It's not so healthy for your marriage.
What would I have done? Julia, what would I have done? I was brought up like this, with a golden spoon in my mouth. He's aware of this before we got married.
That he tolerated it when you guys dated. It's not a guarantee that he should now. Marriage is an entire world on its own.
You see the problem. I don't know why do people keep pretending. Why didn't he say it? I mean, I would have known what to do.
What would you have done, Nina? Would you have walked out of the relationship? See, it's better that you accept this is wrong. Bend down, learn to cook, rather than making excuses for yourself.
Where did they go?
Sir, please, I'm in a hurry.
Wow. Wait. See, ever since I started this in my school, now so grandma, I the below.
Aslan, please, I'm in a hurry to go and cook for Auntie Nina and her husband before he gets back.
What's it been like?
Oh,
Go. La. No, be this compound they employ me. Every time I saw waka, they waka to go cook for some madam. Go make her ask me. Some madam I never sabi am cook. I be something do me for her.
You no go shut up. You no go close your mouth. I be sure you no say Oga dey upstairs for a library. They look you, they hear you. No, come now, no run. Come stand here, they mumu yourself. How's that goat?
Hey! Who am I seeing? Oh, wait. So this is why you've been hiding from us, eh?
Hiding from who and from what? See, I'm a wife to be, okay? And my fiancé is not denying my baby. Please.
But you remember at Nina's wedding? I mentioned it to you that you had taken in because of the way you were lazing about, but you denied it.
So what were you expecting? For me to own up? So that'll be the top pick for the day. I cannot do that.
So you're now the secretive one, no longer Nina, yeah?
Talking about Nina, how is she? Have you seen her recently? How is she doing?
She's there. I saw her a couple of weeks ago.
I don't understand this, your response. Is Nina okay or you guys have fallen out?
I didn't say that. I'd like to see more of you.
You have to come to the house.
It's okay.
Please do.
All right.
I miss you, baby girl.
I need to run along here. Take care.
Babe, I'm home. Babe?
Don't worry, your lunch will be served soon. Alright, sweet. Come and eat your food. Sweetie, what is it? Honey, are you okay? How was work today? I hope nobody offended you.
You are the one who has offended me. As a matter of fact, you have been offending me since we got married.
Honey, what have I done?
How many times have I told you to stop buying me pressure cooked meals from fast food restaurants?
What do you want me to do? The food Aunt prepared for us finished 2 days ago. What am I supposed to do?
Can you listen to yourself? Can you just listen to the nonsense that you just uttered from that mouth of yours? Did you even process what you said? You're not ashamed that Anne, your parents' maid, comes to this house to cook for you or brings food from your parents' house into your matrimonial home? You're not ashamed of it?
Why should I be ashamed? Why? My parents pay her for the services, so why should I be? What's the big deal?
Really?
Yes!
Okay. Henceforth, Anne is barred from coming into this house to cook for you or bring food from your parents' house into this place. Okay?
You're not for real, right?
I am for real. And don't think I don't know that your friends come into this house to cook for you too. That has got to stop. Okay?
Why are you overreacting? Why are you overreacting now? You're taking this too far seriously. You knew I didn't know how to cook before you got married to me. So why are you getting worked up? Why?
Why am I getting worked up?
Yes.
Or am I getting worked up, right? You will see what's overreacting when you try it again.
Where are you going? I mean, what? Why are you doing this to me? You promised to love me, Richard.
Have I stopped loving you? Have I? I still love you very much. All I ask is that you do the right thing. Cook for me. Is that too much to ask?
Richard, I am not your housemaid. I'm your wife.
Really? Then perform your duties as a wife.
What are my duties as a wife?
You expect me to educate you on that? Well, your parents are still alive. Go to them. They'll educate you. Don't touch me. Don't do this.
Please stop, please. Let's just manage this for this night. Please.
I lost my appetite. Please, I need to go out and hang out, please.
Hello, Nina, darling. How are you doing today?
Mom, I am not fine. Everything is not fine around here, Mom.
What kind of problem?
Mom, please, I want to make a bar. I don't know how to make a bar. Please, Mom, can you tell me how to make a bar?
Oh, my God. This naughty girl. You got my heart palpitating.
Mom, please, this is as serious as losing my home. Please, how do I make a bar?
It's okay. It's okay. You just put water in the kettle and set it on fire.
Mom, I've already done that. Water is on the fire.
Oh, okay. Anne! Hold on. Anne!
Yes, ma.
Come here. Baby girl, hold on.
Yes, ma.
Speak with your friend.
Okay.
Yes, teach her how to make eba.
Eba?
What is eba?
Sorry, ma'am. Hello? Auntie Nina?
Hello? Okay, what do I do?
Hassan, what's your mission in this compound? This is how you'll be snooping around like a rat that is looking for fish to steal.
See, my friend, stop it. Stop it. See, I don't tell him, say, make I know they won't join me with this your nonsense grammar. Just because I don't start Okaranta, because I don't start school. Understand?
Hassan, okay, what's the problem? Have you not eaten to your fill?
You know, say, I want to ask you one small question. Understand?
What question?
Now you go promise me say you know go best. Have you go best?
She said I was busy before you came here to disturb me. If you don't have anything to say, just vamoose. What kind of nonsense is this?
You see, that other time when I dey pass for kitchen, I when they hear and they talk to madam, they tell madam say, "Some madam, put on water, turn the gari, turn on." Understand?
Hassan, so that's what you came to this house to do? To be eavesdropping on people's conversations so that you'll find what to gossip about?
I know. You see, why I go talk like this now? Now that time when I when they pass, I when they hear me, they tell madam, you say, "Madam, turn on very well, turn on, put plenty water." Hey, don't do. I can't say make I ask me. So my mother never said people can net you won't shut up.
Stay there. I'm going to go and tell my dad this is why you came to this compound.
So never miss.
It is not just a pity, but it's very disappointing that as pretty as your daughter is, she knows nothing about homekeeping. And that implies that she doesn't have any form of home training at all.
Go ahead. Go on. Haul the insults on me.
How can you say that? Mom, I am not insulting you. You're my mother. But I'm only stating the obvious. Nina does not know how to cook. She does not know how to clean. In fact, she does not understand what it means to be the lady of the house. Just imagine that. No understanding whatsoever what it means to take care of the house. Do you know that I have taken it upon myself that after we have both woken up from the same bed to tidy the room, the personal space that we sleep in, and put the bed in order, just to avoid embarrassment?
You see, this is 21st century, for God's sake. You don't expect a lady after office troubles to come back home and kill herself because of house chores.
Really? Do you know you are complicating this issue further?
Richard, you have to learn how to understand in situations like this with your wife. She's a human and not a slave.
Okay. I've heard you. I've heard you loud and clear. But I am sorry, I am not going to tolerate that in my own house. It is not going to happen. Although this marriage is 6 months, but I am ready to...
Listen. Terminating your marriage is not the issue here. It's not even a threat to us. Yes. Go and fix your marriage. All marriages have strategies they apply in handling situations like this. Yes, if worse comes to worse, go and get a house help. Get a house help to help you with all of these chores. And just like we do it here in this house. That is the reason why Anne is here. You can also do the same.
I'm sorry, I'm not going to tolerate it in my own house. Mom, you should be encouraging this lady to learn how to cook and not defend her errors.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook very well. But I am not going to cook in my own house as the married man.
Why not? Why not? Is cooking an exclusive responsibility for women alone? Why can't you help your wife and cook? What is wrong with that?
I will not sit here and bandy words with you, Mom. I've said my piece. And that is final.
Excuse me. Where are you leaving your wife to?
I'm leaving her here to learn how to cook and also understand what it means to be the lady of the house. When she's done doing that, she knows where the house is.
Richard, you're not serious. Richard, you're not doing this. You're not... It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay.
I can confirm from what I have gathered that your reaction was based on how my wife handled the matter. That is why I sent for you so that we can, talk as men. If your parents were in the country, it would have been with them I am talking.
Well, that will not be necessary, sir, because I have not told my parents about what is happening right now. And I would love that they are left out of this.
That makes it much easier. Thank you so much, my son. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
You see, my son, you are the head of your family. Don't let anybody break your home for you. Matters of matrimony are intricate and must be handled with dexterity. You see, there are so many eateries where you can order food and enjoy yourself, instead of allowing this little matter to give you high blood pressure that you're even too young to have.
With all due respect, sir, I will not take this counsel of yours. And as a matter of fact, I am really disappointed that you would say a thing like this. Sir, as a bachelor, I detest eating from food outlets. Let alone now that I am a married man, a full-fledged married man. You expect me to start walking into different eateries, ordering for food? Is that what you... That's what you're asking me to do, sir?
Calm down, my son. You know, the journey of marriage is not usually smooth. Yeah? She's your wife. You can teach her.
That is not my responsibility. That is the responsibility of a parent. You are supposed to train your child academically and domestically. You don't expect me to do that. Training a child is the core value in an African home. But I'm sorry to say this. In the aspect of you training your child domestically, you have failed woefully.
I have heard your message. I will do the needful.
Sir, let me reiterate that I do not hate your daughter. I love her very much. And I will do everything in my capacity to put her right. It is her home. She can come back anytime she wants. But on the agreement that she would have acquired the necessary skills that she needs as a woman. I don't just want a woman in my house. I want a complete wife. That is what I want, and that's what I'm asking for. If there's no other thing you have to say, sir, I beg to take my leave.
How did it go?
You can see it didn't go well.
Please leave me. Daddy said you have to do something. Do something. I need to go back to my husband's house, else I will kill myself.
No, you can't say that. You can't say that. Yeah? Honey. But you don't have to say that. Honey, did you hear?
What do you expect me to do? It's your responsibility. You live up to it.
And how do you mean?
I mean that not all men will allow the housemaid to do all the cooking while their wives sit by and watch like I do.
Are you saying you've been nursing ill feelings concerning that?
Please don't put words into my mouth. You must accept the fact that it is your fault that your daughter cannot do household chores and cook. Look at the shame it has brought on us. Just look at that.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. She doesn't know how to do anything. I'm sorry. Nina, I promise I will do something. I have to teach her how to cook. I have to teach her how to do everything afresh. No. She has to go back to her husband's house. She can't be here. She can't be here. I'm in my husband's house. She can't be in my house. Oh my God. What did I do to myself? What did I do?
Have here? Richie! Hi!
Hi, Juliet. What a pleasant surprise. What are you doing here?
I work here.
Oh.
Yes, I'm the new manager here. What's up? What's Nina?
Oh, Nina. Nina is at home. I came for a meeting somewhere around the corner, and I decided to stop by and have a glass or two.
Richie.
Yeah.
When did you start drinking? Let alone drinking outside, all by yourself?
New habits, perhaps.
Anyway, I came to check up on my stuff and do some things here.
Okay.
I'll see you later if you're still around.
Sure.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
just take it.
Don't worry, get it. Take me back to your house.
I can do it. I'm doing it.
I don't want you stressing yourself, please.
Get me water so I can also mop the house. Please.
Oga. 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 What is this? Oga. Oga.
What's going on here?
The Oga is drunk. I want to collect my money and close the account.
This is serious. Something is wrong somewhere.
Madam, this has been going on for some time now.
Why hasn't anyone told me?
I didn't deem it necessary because other days he manages to pay and finds his way out. But today's own is worst.
And how come I haven't seen him these days?
Madam, you're always busy in the office.
It's okay. I'll take it from here.
Richard.
Thank you.
Look, Richard, you really need to tell me what's going on. Why is Nina not home? Why did she not take my calls when I called last night? Why did she put off her phone later? Why did you have to drink yourself to stupor, embarrassing yourself like you did last night?
Too many questions I don't even know the one to answer right now. Well, as you can see, I am having a serious hangover. Okay, and please, can I eat so that I can get back my strength? Please.
Richie, are you having issues with my friend Nina? The staff on duty confirmed that this wasn't the first time that you're drinking yourself to stupor.
Please, Juliet, please, let me eat. Let me eat and enjoy this meal that you graciously prepared for me.
You know what? I'll go have a shower, because I need to be at the office for 12 noon. And when I'm back, I'll need to hear the whole truth. Enjoy your meal.
Is now a professional cook. A professional cook, yes. Juliet.
Nina, no! Nina, it's not what you think. Richard, you've killed me. Who's going to believe my side of the story?
I knew it. I knew that young man was up to some mischief when he took that decision. I didn't know he's a brainless ego.
Please. No calling of names until I hear from the young man.
Honey, hold on. Are you in any way doubting your daughter? Are you saying she's lying about what she saw herself?
I have not said anybody lied. It's just that it is incomprehensible that a man of such social standing and intelligence would demean himself to such a disgraceful low level.
Social standing, my foot. What social standing would a man who cheats on his wife with her best friend ever have? He's been pretending all along. He's been pretending with fake perfectionist complex. Anyways, as for that desperate, stupid husband snatcher, I will deal with her myself. She will not go scot-free. I will deal with her personally. Fake people everywhere.
Babe, put yourself together. Did you hear me? Put yourself together. All you need do at this moment is find a way to let her know that nothing happened between the both of you.
But you know our friend so well. Remember how she behaved when her ex did what he did?
But you and I know that if you should talk sense into her, she will see reasons with you. Eh?
But it will be disastrous to go now that she's still upset.
Of course. You don't need to do it now. But come to think of it, why not get the person that got you into this mess to do the talking? Eh? Here you are killing yourself for nothing, knowing fully well that you're innocent. See, if it's me, you know me now, I will so ignore her. Who knows, she might even be the one that got him into this drinking attitude and habits.
Victoria, you're right. But then, it all appeared so real. I was actually tying a towel when she came into the house.
Babe, come and drive me home. This baby here is kicking me right, left and center. I'm so tired. I need to rest my back.
It's okay.
Take your mind off it. Just find a way. Be fine.
It's okay.
La. Ashe wannan yarinya munafuka ce ne? So this yarinya, where they behave like better somebody. Ashe na very terrible person ne. Very terrible.
She is a crazy pretender. Kill and dry. It was during Auntie Nina's wedding that I started noticing her disguise. The way she was all over Uncle Richard there.
La. Why this girl go do this kind of thing now?
If you ask me.
I think that say na better person. Ama why small madam husband go do that kind of mago something too? Wallahi, you see this life where good people don't finish. Allah, good people now only me na me remain.
Hassan, he's a jolly good fellow. I bet it's that Delilah that seduced him.
That one. Wallahi, like this are the best. Kuma anytime when I see that nyanya, in fact, I know what's here. Because if I see him, wallahi, I will cut him with my dagger. Allah.
Ew, how can you even think of something so savage and cruel? How can you conceive something like that, Hassan?
Wallahi, I mean, I the best. Why she go do that kind of terrible something?
That's how you want to now kill someone.
Good day, sir.
Yes, Richard. Good day.
I was actually on my way to your house.
Well, I'm here now. Richard, I have come to find out if what my daughter came to tell us yesterday is true or false.
Well, it depends on what she told you.
Is it true that my daughter came here only to find her maid of honor tying a small towel around the house?
Well, yes, your daughter was here yesterday. But it is not exactly what it seems.
So what exactly is it? I mean, what defense do you have for that? Richard, you abandoned our daughter in our home for the mere fact that she didn't know how to cook. Only for you to bring her best friend to your matrimonial home. Richard, that is a despicable act.
It's not exactly true, sir. It's not.
To say the least, I am utterly disappointed in you. And to think that you have the guts, the temerity to stand before me to deny the obvious? Richard, you and that girl, you will never get away with this.
Madam, why are the pollution everywhere now? Huh?
Hassan, are you mad? I said, open this gate and let me drive in.
I know, wallahi, madam, never. See, in fact, madam, make a one day go. Madam, one day go now. See, wallahi, I never want to make my girl come to me for a year. In fact, so my mother don't tell me, say, make I never allow me enter inside the compound. Simple.
You mean Nina said that?
Why you not go talk am? Why you not go talk am? When are you a criminal? Now so they go tip, they go snatch people husband. Now so I snap my madam husband. It is not sabi. See, wallahi, madam, make I go. One day go because if my girl come back here, come meet to me. Wallahi, personally, na me go carry me, go lock me for Gadurung. Come on, friends, Gadurung. I go carry me go police station. Simple. Madam, make I go now. Ah, you know one go ba? To zona mana. Make I wait.
Victoria.
Hey, Juliet has been kidnapped. Oh.
What do you mean Juliet has been kidnapped?
Her girls confirmed it, her workers. They said it was in front of the bar. Yes, she was trying to drive in. The next thing, a car double crossed her. 2 guys jumped out and abducted her on gunpoint, leaving her car out there.
My goodness. Okay, has any entry been made at the police station?
So they said. The police promised to swing into action immediately, but nobody knows her whereabouts yet.
Okay. Alright, I've heard you. Let me make 1 or 2 calls. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Chimo, what am I going to do?
What is the problem here?
Thank you, Oga. Oga, now this policeman this one when they force me, he said, open the gate, they force me. I never understand.
Good day, sir. I have for one Miss Nina Richard.
That is my daughter. What is the problem?
Actually, the case was incidented against her for alleged involvement in the kidnap of one Miss Juliet Njoku yesterday.
Excuse me. Officer, this cannot be true. At all. This is impossible. My daughter cannot debase herself to that level.
Exactly, my madam.
Sorry, ma. She was fingered this morning as a prime suspect.
Well, officer, I don't know who fingered me into such kind because it's a false accusation. I know nothing about it.
It's a false accusation.
Well, ma, if you are the one, you are under arrest for the involvement in the plotting of the kidnap of Miss Juliet Njoku. Madam, you have the right to remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Hey, calm down. What's all this? Calm down. Take it easy. There must be a mistake somewhere. My daughter does not have the capacity to involve in such a hideous act.
Sorry, that will be determined by the court. Officer, move her.
Officer, please. She didn't do it. I did.
You?
And?
Arrange the kidnap?
I'm sorry, sir. Mommy, please forgive me. I love Auntie Nina a lot. Look at me today. I'm everything I am because of Auntie Nina. Please forgive me. Auntie Nina. Oh, please forgive me.
Officer?
Move her.
accept it. I just want you to find it in your heart and forgive me. Please, because my baby here has already forgiven me. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I hold nothing against you. I mean, if I were in your shoes, I would have reacted the same way given the circumstance, so it's fine.
Well, I believe everything happens for a purpose. And I'm really happy that we have all made amends. Everyone has forgiven each other, so we can move forward now, right? Great. I heard a few hours ago that Victoria has actually put to bed a set of twins, a boy and a girl. So what we should be talking about right now is how we are going to pay her a visit. Where did you get this from?
From Nina Richard's kitchen.
I may have said some terrible things to you. I may have said words that hurt. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have spoken to you the way I did. I guess it was for good. I said some terrible things to your parents, and I will take out time to go apologize to them. Please, my love, find it in your heart to forgive me. What I did was terrible, but it was for a great cause. Please forgive me.
It's okay. Come on. Your sins are forgiven. Just go and sin no more. Taste my food. Just go on. Stop! Thank you.